Okay. The first lot of frames have arrived. They'll be obviously all the sort of temporary timber and whatever's needed for the structure. I've got the Dad's old Remu table here. That's going to be a solid point to mount possibly a camera post. Got a whole bunch of 4x2s here. Some wrapped, what feels like 6x2s. Yeah, so two bundles of 6x2s, some 4x2s, some ply, polystyrene. So these will go into the corners and inside the gaps between the where you can't put insulation in the walls later. Building paper. It's not there's some real cheap stuff, and I think it's the next brand up. And then we have some other goodies. Yeah, so we have some nails, some fasteners, probably some L brackets for uplift. Yeah, we'll be having the walls coming tomorrow.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
By putting all these cameras up, I can hopefully stitch all the footage together and create a whole project time lapse. Also aiding in security. Means I can keep an eye on comings and goings, keep an eye on materials. A few hawks flying out in the distance over the tree line.
Follow
while they were standing the frames up, they were also putting 45 boards down, hammering in some pegs, nailing that down to stop it, falling over in the wind. Even though it's a 6x2 wall, it almost stands by itself. You wouldn't want to risk having a wall land on you, or damage your property or something else. While the guys are standing all the frames and everything, I help them with the first few, just to see how the process goes. But they're absolutely smashing it. The truck showed up at about 8:30. Builders were like 5 minutes behind, and then once they got cracked into it, the truck went away, came back with his next load, and that was probably about a 45-minute space between them. So you'll see in the time lapse between the truck, the first load and the second trip. Once all the walls are all starting to get tied together, it kind of creates a structure that holds itself, and so you don't need to do as many of the 45 angles. And then while they're working, they're also nailing all the corners together, putting these steel straps around the corners, tying it all together. Barely had to move any of the frames around, which was awesome, because that's time that you don't want to be spending shifting a whole lot of stack to get to the bottom one and then so forth. Once the west wall was standing, I started working on the retaining wall, and I just left the time lapse running, so hopefully you enjoy that.
Shining through.